All right, let's take a look at these problems that we want to see. Get my pen here. All right, we want to solve for n. So remember, we want to isolate n. We want to get it by itself. Right now, it has 10 being added to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 10. We're going to undo that adding 10. Now, if you subtract 10 from the left of the equal, you have to do it to the right-hand side also. So here we have n equals 11. Again, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. Number 2, n minus 4 equals 10. We want n by itself, so we need to undo that subtracting 4. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. That'll go away here. We have equals 14. And we know 14 minus 4 equals 10. Again, we can see the answers, but we want to make sure that we show our work because the process is what this is all about. Number 3, n minus 1 equals negative 3. We want to undo that subtracting of 1, so we're going to add 1. And that'll get the n by itself. That goes away. N's by itself. Lose 3, gain 1. You're at negative 2. Excuse me. Number 4. This says 5 times n equals 15. So how do we undo multiplying? We divide. So what we're going to do to both sides of the equation is divide by 5. Divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So n is 3. And we know 5 times 3 is 15. So that was the correct value. Number 5, n divided by 5 equals 4. Now, how do we undo dividing? We multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5. That 5 and that 5 will cancel. You'll be left with n equals 4 times 5, 20. Number 6, it says n plus 3 equals negative 10. So how do I undo the adding of 3? We subtract 3 from both sides. This goes away. Negative 10, take away 3, gives you negative 13. If it's negative 10 degrees outside and it drops 3 more degrees, it's negative 13. Number 7, 3 times n equals 12. How do I undo multiplying by 3? I divide by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Number 8, n minus 7. Well, we got to undo the subtracting 7 by adding 7 to both sides of the equal sign. That goes away. Negative 7 plus 7, 0. So n's value is 0. 0 minus 7 does give you negative 7. Number 9, 6 times n equals 12. How do I undo multiplying by 6? I'm going to divide by 6. But whatever you do to the left side, you must do to the right side of the equal sign. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Number 10, n divided by 2. How do I undo dividing? I multiply. So I multiply that side by 2 and the right side by 2. These 2's will cancel. 20 times 2 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Number 11, 5 times n is 50. How do I undo that multiplying? I'm going to divide by 5. 10. 5 times 10 is 50. So I know that's the right answer. And finally, number 12. N minus 4 equals negative 10. I need n by itself. So I'm going to add 4 to the left side of the equal and to the right side of the equal sign. That goes away. So n is left by itself on the left. Negative 10 plus 4, negative 6. Negative 6 is our answer. There we have problems 1 through 12.